Oil and natural gas are major industries in the energy market and play an influential role in the global economy as the world's primary fuel sources. The processes and systems involved in producing and distributing oil and gas are highly complex, capital-intensive, and require state-of-the-art technology. Historically, natural gas has been linked to oil, mainly because of the production process or upstream side of the business. For much of the history of the industry, natural gas was viewed as a nuisance and even today is flared in large quantities in some parts of the world, including the United States. Saka Petrol, with its expert staff, serves in the markets of the Middle East, Far Asia, Africa, and Latin America, especially in the Gulf countries, with the business of an oil, petroleum products, and gas supply, is one of the growth-oriented sectoral players with its sustainable business policy. Our operations consist of supplying crude oil and products for refining systems and other needs, the trading of crude oil and our own products, their maritime transport, and the management of product coverage in the financial derivatives markets. Saka Petrol, which takes its strength from sustainable business partnerships and relationship management, has succeeded in being in the oil economy that steers the world with the energy policies of the 20th century, with its management experience, and has been able to combine these experiences with its commercial resources in today's century. Our vision is where we're headed, to be a global energy company that creates value in a sustainable manner through innovation, efficiency, and respect to drive progress in society. Our mission is our reason for being, an energy company committed to a sustainable world. Our values are reflected in each and every one of our actions. We make optimal use of our resources and our time. We're agile and flexible in the way we work to achieve the best results. We create a workplace of inclusivity and trust, while being aware of the impact of our actions and decisions on society and the environment. We seize new opportunities that arise in the context of the energy transition and contribute new solutions. We identify what is truly critical and differential in our daily work to achieve goals and results, while placing special value on the fact that we are all. Our products. Jet fuel. Jet fuel or aviation turbine fuel is a type of aviation fuel designed for use in aircraft powered by gas turbine engines. It is colorless to straw-colored in appearance. The most used fuels for commercial aviation are Jet A and Jet A1, which are produced to a standardized international specification. The only other jet fuel commonly used in civilian turbine engine-powered aviation is Jet B, which is used for its enhanced cold weather performance. Diesel fuel. In many countries, diesel fuel is standardized. For example, in the European Union, the standard for diesel fuel is EN 590. Diesel fuel has many colloquial names. Most commonly, it is simply referred to as diesel. In the United Kingdom, diesel fuel for on-road use is commonly called diesel, or sometimes white diesel if required to differentiate it from a tax-advantaged agricultural-only product containing an identifying colored dye known as red diesel. Base oil. Base oils are used to manufacture products including lubricating greases, motor oil, and metal processing fluids. Different products require different compositions and properties in the oil. One of the most important factors is the liquid's viscosity at various temperatures. Whether or not a crude oil is suitable to be made into a base oil is determined by the concentration of base oil molecules, as well as how easily these can be extracted. Heating oil. Heating oil is any petroleum product or other oil used for heating, a fuel oil. Most commonly, it refers to low viscosity grades of fuel oil used for furnaces or boilers used for home heating and in other buildings. LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas is a fuel gas which contains a flammable mixture of hydrocarbon gases, specifically propane and butane. LNG. Liquefied natural gas is natural gas that has been cooled down to liquid form for ease and safety of non-pressurized storage or transport. It takes up about 1/600th the volume of natural gas in the gaseous state. Natural gas. Natural gas is a naturally occurring mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons, consisting primarily of methane, in addition to various smaller amounts of other higher alkanes. Saka Petrol, which is environmentally friendly and desires a more livable world, invites you to work together. If you join our invitation, you will be a part of the common mind that we will produce in renewable energy sources, together with the win-win policy in our common trade.